guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a quick power hour for you guys, and I shouldn't even say it was a power hour because I actually started cleaning just after 8 o'clock and I was finished up by 9 because I was on crunch time. I had a show I needed to watch. I got the kids into bed. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen that I have been working on my front porch. Last year when I did my front porch makeover, I had painted my porch with just like a typical concrete porch paint, and over our Canadian winter, it took a beating. And of course, I have a son who liked to jump around on his scooter and a skateboard, and it started to chip off, and I could never get it looking good again. So I spent my entire day taking paint off of the porch, which I'm still not finished. I got inside, got the girls to bed, which they went to bed amazing, and now it is time to get some cleaning done. So you're gonna see me in here in my living room getting everything done. I'm trying to recruit my son Andrew. Luckily, you will see him pop in at the end of the video. I did get him to help me out just at the end. I bribed him with an ice cream. I'm not gonna lie, I was rushing to get this stuff done so that I could just go sit down and relax. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button. I am getting up in my numbers, and I have all thanks to you guys. Like, I don't even know what to say. I am so thankful for you guys. My subscriber count is jumping. My hours are jumping. I officially made my first YouTube AdSense check, and it is all because of you guys. And I said it before, and I will say it again. All the money that I'm going to be making off of YouTube, I'm going to put back into my house in some sort of DIY renovation makeover video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up like I said, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
Tell me if it feels like, do you wanna go tonight? I don't think I'll feel right if I don't have you by my side. Tell me baby if you want me, cause I'm wanting you. I need to have your loving darling, cause I wanna be with you. Come on girl, come on girl. I need to let you know that I wanna make you moan. So long girl, so long girl. You'll feel it when I hold you tight. Yeah, yeah. There's something special about your love. I think I'm ready to find. There's something special about your love. I'm gonna make it mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. Yeah. Something about your love. Something about your love. Something about your love. Something about your love.
Staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.